You don't need any fancy cleaners to clean your tub when you have literal pure baking soda and lemons, okay? You just sprinkle baking soda wherever it is that you're wanting to clean. I've already started cleaning in here, so yeah, you can see where it's kind of gross already. But so I just sprinkle some baking soda, just take a plain lemon, no sponge, you don't need any chemicals, you don't need anything like that, and you just start scrub away at it. Don't even have to really push that hard, because once the lemon starts reacting with the baking soda, it literally just starts bringing grime off of your tub that you didn't even know was there. Look at this. What? No chemicals, no bleach, no fancy, I don't even know. I don't want to go and spend money at the store right now on cleaning products, so yeah, here we are. Check it out. A lemon and baking soda. Cheapest, most natural cleaner you could get, and it smells great too. It really does. Like, you know your lemon pledge? It smells just like that without the chemical smell. Okay, bye!